Here in the Black Forest, in just outside of Triberg, it is gorgeous. Look at this beautiful snow, beautiful drive here. We're here to see the largest cuckoo clock in the world, and it's built into the side of this building, which I'm not really sure if the building counts as the cuckoo clock.
3, 2, 1, auf Deutsch!
And so you put in a coin. It's actually 3 o'clock now, so it should be ringing, but there he is, the cuckoo clown. Oh, nice.
Oh, you guys are, thank you for indulging us.
Respects the cuckoo.
Back up and you can get the trees.
All right, it is at Park, which is just off the road on the way to Triberg there. Fun times.